This video I'm going to show in today's video. Yes. So no. So wing eyeliner is
Take me home tonight. I just wanna show you the true light. Light me up and make me feel alright.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nazma. In today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve this look using lesser products. Basically this video is for beginners. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So firstly I'm going to use a facial oil. Here I'm using Purpple's facial oil. If you don't have any facial oil, you don't have to buy the same product what I'm using. So what you can do is use any moisturizer. You can use Pond's light moisturizer. It is very good moisturizer for summer times. So I'm using this facial oil, just putting some my face. So I'm massaging the facial oil very nicely to let it absorb on my face. So next I'm using a primer. Here I'm using Wet n Wild's matte primer. So I'm using the primer. Basically I'm applying this on my T-zone just to fill in my pores. So I will use only this concealer under my eyes, basically all over my face. So I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend the concealer. So my concealer is now blended very nicely. So next I'm going to set my face using this Rimmel's compact powder. So using this brow pomade from Music Flower, I'm going to shape my brows using this angular brush. So now I'm carving my brows. So next I'm going to carve out my brows using the same concealer. So my eyebrows are now carved very nicely. So next I'm going to use this palette from Wet n Wild in the shade Rose in the Air. So I'm going to use this transition shade only all over my lids, just to give some color to my lid. Using this shade, I'm applying on my lids, all over my lids, just to give a more sparkly effect. If you want, you can use only this single eyeshadow. So next I'm using this eyeliner from Lakme. I'm going to do a wing eyeliner. So I'm going to do my liner slowly. So now I have drawn my wing eyeliner. I have winged it inside my inner corner also. So now one eye is completed. I'm going to do this liner off camera. So I have drawn both the liners. So wing eyeliner is drawn. So next I'm going to use this nude kajal from Wet n Wild in the shade Calling the Buff. I'm going to use this on my waterline just to make my eyes look more bigger. So next I'm going to curl my lashes using this curler. So now I'm using this mascara from Wet n Wild. Using the same mascara just to hold my brows very nicely. So if you don't have any pomade, you can use mascara instead, and just remove the excess like this, then use this like this. You will have a nice, precise and fluffier brows. So eye makeup is completed. Next I'm going to use blush. I'm using this blush from Wet n Wild in the shade Mellow Wine. Smile and just drag it over here, just to give a more structured and lifted face. If you want, you can use this on your nose just to give a more natural effect. So for contouring, I'm going to use this shade from the same palette. Just going to give some dimension to my face. For more chiseled look, I'm going to use this compact and just use this as just removing the excess and just give a more chiseled look. So next I'm going to use this highlighter from Maybelline. I'm going to set my face using this Nicka setting spray. So now I'm going to line my face using this lip liner from Wet n Wild. So here I'm using this lipstick from Darling Isabella in this shade Dusky Brown 17. So yes, this is the final look. I hope you guys will like this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye.